Google Voice uses call forwarding to route incoming calls to your linked devices. Understanding how this forwarding system works is essential for fixing call reception issues. Google Voice uses carrier-level forwarding rules that activate in 3 specific situations: when your phone is busy, when calls go unanswered, or when your device is unreachable. Each mobile carrier uses specific forwarding codes to activate and deactivate call forwarding. These codes are essential for proper Google Voice setup. Now let's look at a practical example. Here's how you would enter a forwarding code on your phone's dial pad to set up call forwarding. Google Voice has a 4-level settings hierarchy that controls how calls are forwarded. Understanding this hierarchy is crucial for troubleshooting call reception issues. Here's the key insight. Incorrect forwarding settings are the primary cause of call reception problems. Most Google Voice issues stem from misconfigured settings rather than technical failures. When Google Voice calls aren't coming through, start with these 4 essential diagnostic steps to identify the root cause of the problem. First, verify your Google Voice app status. Check that the app is running, updated to the latest version, and properly signed into your account. Second, test your network connectivity. Poor internet connection is a common cause of missed calls, especially on Wi-Fi networks with strict firewall settings. Third, audit your notification permissions. Many users miss calls because notifications are disabled or restricted by the operating system. If basic diagnostics don't resolve the issue, move to advanced configuration troubleshooting. These steps address the complex call forwarding system that Google Voice relies on. Advanced troubleshooting focuses on the carrier-level forwarding codes that route calls to your devices. Each carrier uses different codes and protocols. Ring groups determine how calls are distributed across your devices. Simultaneous ringing can cause conflicts, while sequential ringing provides better reliability. Cross-device conflicts occur when multiple devices compete for the same call. This is especially common in business environments with desk phones and mobile devices. When advanced configuration doesn't solve the problem, system-level solutions may be necessary. These involve resetting core forwarding settings. A complete forwarding reset clears all carrier-level forwarding rules and rebuilds them from scratch. This resolves deep configuration conflicts. Carrier-specific optimization addresses unique requirements of different network providers. Some carriers have special VoIP handling that affects Google Voice. Recent developments have introduced new challenges. iOS 17 and newer versions have compatibility issues, while 5G networks sometimes conflict with traditional forwarding. Emerging issues include iOS 17 plus compatibility problems and 5G network conflicts that affect call forwarding reliability. IT consultant Mark Rodriguez emphasizes that 90% of Google Voice call reception issues stem from incorrect forwarding settings rather than technical failures. The key takeaway is that proper initial configuration eliminates most future problems. Focus on getting your forwarding settings right from the start and keep your app updated to avoid common pitfalls.